Alright, people. So, I just found out about the existence of these little balls. They're called Mini Fashion. And they have like little miniature purses and accessories inside. And honestly, I was gonna make a video earlier, but then I was like, I don't feel like it. But then I'm like, you know what? No, they just came in the mail today. So I gotta open it before I go to bed, at least one. So here's your video. I'm in my pajamas, but I don't care. Try to open it up. Ooh. Like how it sounds crunchy. Why is this so difficult to open? What the? Why is this? Oh man. Damn, how many blondes does it take to open one of these? Oh, it has a zipper down the side, I think, but it just broke off. Okay. So I guess there's a zipper on the side. That's how you open it. Alright, so let me get these out. Let's see what we got in here. Like, oh no, I'm running out of time. Because it's taking so long to open this thing. How do I get this stupid thing open? Y'all, I can't figure out how to open it. Okay, I'm gonna need a part 2. Go to part 2. So we're still working on opening this ball. There's one thing for sure. It's very, secure. So let's open up and see what we find. I'm excited. Alright, let's see. Oh, cute. Mini Fashion. Real fabric bags. I guess those are all the things that I can collect or something like that. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh. Okay, I got a sticker of a purse. Alright. Oh, what? It's like a little... Oh, it's a little perfume, I think. And oh, how cute. And a little... Oh. How did I... Well, anyways, a little, wallet, I'm guessing. Go closed. It's pretty cool. Oh, little sunglasses. I feel like my nose isn't big enough for them, but they're cute. They're very cute. Wow. Okay. Now, I think this one's gonna have the little bag in it. Oh my god, that's adorable. Y'all. Look at it's little teeny tiny. Oh, the little leopard print. And it has the... How cute. It's got like the stuffing and all that in there too. Aw, but I guess you take this and then you put your things. Like I'm gonna take my little perfume. Take my now broken sunglasses. Damn, okay. I guess I broke them. They'll go in there anyways. And my little wallet. And we're good to go. I like these. These are pretty fun. Sorry, these are pretty fun. I'm gonna have to open up more soon.